How will the rise of autonomous vehicles transform our urban infrastructure in the next decade? Picture this: a world where the roads are dominated by self-driving cars, navigating complex city streets with precision and ease. This isn't a far-off fantasy, it's a reality that's just around the corner. Autonomous vehicles, or AVs, are poised to revolutionize not only transportation but also the very fabric of our cities. Our current urban infrastructure, with its traffic signs, parking lots, and roads designed for human drivers, may soon become obsolete. Imagine roads without stop signs or traffic signals, where AVs communicate with each other to seamlessly navigate intersections. Think about the vast amounts of space currently devoted to parking that could be repurposed for parks, housing, or other public uses once AVs become commonplace. The potential impact of autonomous vehicles on our urban infrastructure is immense. If we look closely, we can already see the beginning of this transformation. Our cities have been built for human-driven vehicles, but what happens when the drivers become machines? Today, our urban infrastructure is designed with a human element in mind. Roads are painted with lines and arrows that we can see and interpret. Signs are posted with written instructions that we can read and follow. Parking spots are marked out in sizes that accommodate our vehicles and our human abilities to maneuver them into place. But autonomous vehicles don't see or interpret the world in the same way we do. They rely on sensors and algorithms to navigate, and often struggle with unclear road markings or inconsistent signage. And as for parking, the current infrastructure doesn't maximize the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles. With no need for doors to open or for humans to get in and out, parking lots could be designed much more efficiently. To fully integrate autonomous vehicles into our cities, we will need to rethink how our infrastructure is designed. So what changes could we see in our cities to accommodate these self-driving vehicles? First off, let's talk about dynamic road markings. These are essentially electronic displays embedded into the road surface, replacing static painted lines. Imagine a world where lanes can adapt in real time to traffic conditions. A sudden traffic jam? No problem, the road itself can change to create an additional lane. This technology could make our roads more efficient and responsive, easing congestion and making our commutes smoother. Now, on to digital signage. Traditional road signs could be replaced with digital displays that can change according to the current needs of the road. Think of a stop sign that only appears when it's needed, or a speed limit sign that adjusts in real time based on road conditions. Digital signage could provide more precise and timely information to autonomous vehicles, increasing safety and efficiency on the roads. And let's not forget about parking. The rise of autonomous vehicles could lead to a significant redesign of parking spaces. With self-parking capabilities, autonomous vehicles could fit into tighter spaces, allowing for more efficient use of parking areas. In addition, parking lots could be located further away from city centers, as autonomous vehicles could drop off passengers and then park themselves, reducing congestion in city centers. Of course, these changes come with their own set of challenges. Implementing dynamic road markings and digital signage requires significant investment and technological advancement. And while redesigning parking spaces could increase efficiency, it could also lead to issues such as the need for increased remote parking facilities. Nevertheless, the benefits these changes could bring to our cities are compelling. Increased efficiency, improved safety, and reduced congestion are just a few of the potential advantages. The rise of autonomous vehicles presents an exciting challenge for urban planners, who have the opportunity to reshape our cities for the future. It's a brave new world out there, and we're just starting to scratch the surface of what's possible. So buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride. While the future of autonomous vehicles and their impact on our cities is still uncertain, one thing is clear: the way we design, build, and manage our urban environments will need to evolve. We've explored the potential changes to road signage with autonomous vehicles relying more on digital data than physical signs. The reimagining of parking spaces as cars that can park themselves free up valuable urban real estate. Yet, the transformation of urban infrastructure extends beyond these elements. We're looking at a future where citywide networks communicate directly with vehicles, where roads self-repair, and where traffic lights become obsolete. But this future also presents challenges. There are issues of cybersecurity, data privacy, and the digital divide to consider. Still, the opportunities are tremendous. Technological advancements are not just changing the way we drive, they're changing the very fabric of our cities. The cities of the future will not only be shaped by the technology of autonomous vehicles, but also by our ability to adapt and innovate our urban infrastructure.